Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how WD-40 can be a game changer for your car. Here's a breakdown with additional explanations, safety tips, and usage tricks. Title: 10 Secret Uses of WD-40 in Your Car on Screen Text. Title of the video. Removing stubborn stickers, adhesives, and residue. Old parking permits, bumper stickers, and dealership decals can be tough to remove. Spray WD-40 directly onto the sticker, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, then use a plastic scraper or cloth to peel it off easily. Bonus: it works on tree sap and bird droppings without damaging the paint. Preventing and removing rust on metal parts. Rust eats away at metal components, weakening them over time. WD-40 acts as a rust inhibitor, preventing oxidation on door hinges, bolts, suspension parts, and the undercarriage. If rust has already formed, spray WD-40, let it sit for 10 minutes, and scrub with a wire brush to remove the rust buildup. Cleaning and protecting battery terminals is crucial for maintaining your car's electrical system. Corroded battery terminals can cause electrical problems and starting issues. To clean them, first spray WD-40 on the battery terminals and let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a wire brush to remove any corrosion. Wipe everything dry with a clean rag. For prevention, apply WD-40 occasionally to keep moisture and corrosion away. Unfreezing car locks in winter can be a real hassle, but WD-40 is excellent for keeping locks functional in freezing weather. Here's a preventive tip: spray inside the keyhole before winter to stop moisture from turning into ice. If your locks do freeze, spray inside the lock, insert the key and gently wiggle it to break the ice. Lubricating noisy door hinges and latches can make your car much more pleasant to use. Squeaky or stiff door hinges can be really annoying. Apply a small amount of WD-40, open and close the door a few times, and wipe off any excess to keep those hinges smooth. This also works great for trunk and hood latches, seatbelt retractors, and even sticking gas cap covers. Removing tar, grease, and dead bugs from your car's paint can be a real challenge. Road tar, grease, and bug splatter can stick to your paint and be difficult to remove. A handy tip is to spray WD-40 on the affected area, let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes, and then wipe gently with a microfiber cloth. You might be wondering, is it safe on paint? Yes, it is, but always make sure to wash the area with soapy water afterward to remove any residue. If you frequently drive in muddy, snowy, or off-road conditions, WD-40 can make cleanup a lot easier. Here's how to use it. Spray inside the wheel wells, fenders, and undercarriage before driving in harsh conditions. The effect is that dirt and mud won't stick as easily, making washing your car much faster. Sun exposure can make black plastic trim look dull and gray over time. To clean and restore faded plastic trim, simply spray WD-40 on a cloth and rub it onto the trim to bring back its original dark color. However, a word of caution: avoid overuse, as WD-40 can attract dust over time. Stopping squeaky or skipping wiper blades is pretty straightforward. Wiper blades can dry out over time, causing them to squeak or leave streaks on your windshield. To fix this, you can spray some WD-40 on a cloth and wipe along the rubber edge of the wiper blade. Oh, and here's a bonus tip: WD-40 can also help loosen stuck wipers in freezing conditions. Water on electrical components can be a real headache. Water in ignition wires, spark plugs, and distributor caps can cause misfires and rough starts. Spraying WD-40 helps displace moisture, preventing these electrical problems. When should you use it? Well, after driving in heavy rain, before washing your engine bay, or if you live in high humidity areas. Here are 2 lesser-known but useful ways to use WD-40 in your car. 1. Removing paint scratches and scuff marks. If another car or object has left light scuff marks or paint transfer on your vehicle, WD-40 can help. How to use it? Spray WD-40 on the scuffed area. Let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds. Gently rub with a microfiber cloth. Then, wash the area with soap and water afterward. Why it works? WD-40 helps break down foreign paint and residue without damaging your car's clear coat. 2. Silencing a squeaky serpentine belt, though this is a temporary fix. A noisy serpentine belt often means it's dry, worn out, or misaligned. If you're hearing a squeak and need a quick temporary fix, WD-40 can help. How to use it? Spray a very small amount on a rag. Lightly rub the rag on the belt while the engine is off. Start the car and check if the noise is gone. Warning: this is a temporary fix. If the squeak returns, your belt might need replacement or proper belt dressing. What not to spray: WD-40 on brake rotors, pads, and calipers. It can reduce braking performance. Serpentine and timing belts. It can cause slipping or premature wear. Oxygen sensors and mass airflow sensors. It can interfere with sensor readings. Cloth or leather seats. It can leave stains and make surfaces greasy. Final thoughts. Is WD-40 a must-have for your car? Absolutely. It's not just for loosening bolts, it's a powerful tool for cleaning, preventing rust, and even protecting your car from extreme weather.